Can I have the jalapeno poppers, please? Stop! That's the quickest way to sound like a tourist.
Most beginners treat the Spanish J like a soft English H, but they are not the same.
Today, I'm giving you the dragon breath trick to fix your accent forever. By the end of this video, you'll sound like a native. Let's go. Welcome to Spanify. I'm your guide to Spanish in style. Well, the English H is just a soft sigh. Exhale softly. It's weak. The Spanish J has grit. It's a friction sound. K-ash. Try it with me. Feel that friction in your throat. Perfect. Now you're getting the hang of it. The Spanish J has grit. It's a friction sound. Makes K-hound, like in Jota. Think of an angry cat. Shh. Feel that tickle in your throat? That's where the sound happens. Not in your mouth, but in your throat.
Try it with me. Not jugo, jugo. Can you feel the vibration?
Again, jamón. Don't be afraid to sound a little raspy. Grab a mirror. If it fogs up when you say Jota, you're doing it right.
It's a workout for your throat, I know. Take a breath.
In Spanish, this letter is called the cota. Say it, cota.
Now, let's talk about the SPY. The letter G can be a shapeshifter.
When G is with A, O, or U, it's hard, like goat. Gato, gordo, gustar.
No dragon breath here, just a simple, hard G sound.
But when G meets E or I, it steals the J sound entirely.
It's not gente, it's gente. Use that dragon breath.
And here, gimnasio. It sounds exactly like a J. Pronounce in Spanish accent, gimnasio. Hear that? Gente, ginete. Different letters, identical sound.
Quick rule. E and I are the dragon vowels for the letter G. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. It changes everything.
Challenge time. I'll show a word. You have 3 seconds to say it. Go.
Giraffa. Did you use the friction?
Girasol. Remember, it's a dragon G.
Reloj. That J at the end is the ultimate test.
Mexico. Even with an XX, it's the dragon breath sound. Ejercicio! That's a triple threat. Well done.
Kennerall, another G-Spy. You're getting good. Perfect! You are officially a Spanish dragon.
Now, let's try that order again. confidently this time. Quiero los jalapeños, por favor.
Subscribe to Spanify for more tricks. We make Spanish stylish.
Comment below. What's the hardest word for you? Hasta luego!